friends, today is Wednesday, I believe the 9th, and we're starting our day off. It's another day of Keith and Kay, my little Filipina. There's Kay right there, and Amina in the back. And we're gonna start off this morning by taking care of a little business, and that's the way it is practically every morning. But anyway, we're on our way. Well, hello folks. Me and Kay here. We were doing some shopping.
Hold your mic, because
Huh?
Your mic.
No. And we was doing a little shopping. She bought her some nice dresses and some hijabs. And now we decided to eat lunch here at they call Little Arabia. And we're eating some of the food. It's the first time we ever been in this restaurant. They sell all Arabian type style food. It's an Islamic restaurant. And we got pizza. I'm eating vegetarian pizza. And so is Kay. She's eating vegetarian pizza. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, cool.
I'm eating pizza.
You're eating pizza. How's it taste?
It tastes kind of different to different pizza. This one tastes different.
Yeah, well, it's a little bit different. It's a vegetarian pizza, but instead of having all the big slices, it got little dices of vegetables on it. It's good. It has a good flavor to it. But a little bit different than traditional, I guess, American style pizza we used to eat as vegetarian. But it's good. I ordered a lamb. I ordered some chopped lamb cubes, grilled, which is they're gonna bring out as my main course. And I guess Kay, I don't know what did you order, babe? Just tell me.
Chicken shawarma.
Shawarma?
Shawarma.
You ever taste it?
Yeah, Philippines.
Oh, okay, cool.
But I don't know how it tastes here.
Well, we're gonna let them know as soon as we get it, right?
Okay.
All right, y'all, just stand by. Vegetarian pizza from Little Arabia. Oh, man, that pizza is good, really good. I got my main dish now. It's cube lamb with hummus right there, a solid and lamb. Cube lamb with rice, and Kay got it.
Chicken shawarma.
Chicken shawarma?
Yeah.
How's that chicken shawarma taste, babe?
Well, it smells like chicken curry, but I'm tasting it.
How is it?
Not bad.
Not bad? Okay. And I'm gonna try mine too. I'm trying this lamb. Oh, pretty good. Not bad. A little chewy, tender. It's flavorful, very flavorful. And with rice and like nuts on it. I'm gonna try a little hummus. Hummus gives you the flavor. And they got the bread.
Pita bread.
Pita bread, you with it too. But overall, food is delicious. First time ever eating here, I give it a B. Food's good. What do you rate it, babe?
5.
5? A to Z. A means best.
E.
E? Okay, that's your opinion. Good.
Hi guys, we're just finished eating our dinner. So now we're going to Fox Hills Malls, go to Target, and we'll see you guys later. And
What are we going to Target for?
we're gonna get a microwave for the bed.
The
inside
bedroom?
Bedroom. Yeah.
Alright, we'll check it out. Okay, we're in the Fox Hill Mall now. Me and Kay. We're going to the elevator
I wanna try
to go up to Target. What? What? What?
You know what? I wanna try this. Maybe you're good at guns.
Maybe. Where's the elevator? Come on, let's go. We're going. That's the escalator. It's not the elevator.
Oh, I don't know.
It's the elevator.
I don't know. What?
Down here. Hey,
See how green he is?
I'm
That's
trying
the
to
real-
tell you.
That's the
I
real
asked you
him.
yesterday where's the elevator. You said it's around over here, I think.
That's the real him. He's me.
What?
He's me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You. So we're gonna catch the elevator upstairs to Target. Well, I'm following Kay. She's going to get a microwave that she likes so well. She said it fits the bedroom, but we'll see when we get there. She turned somewhere around here. Oops. Where'd she disappear to? She's calling me down here. I guess she found it. Ah, you found it, huh? Oh, these are the microwave you're talking about.
Which one?
Okay, they're kind of cute.
This one? Which one you want?
Will they fit the,
This one's kind of big.
huh?
This one's kind of big.
Kinda? Look like it'll fit it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How much is this? What about that one?
$69. They're the same price.
Let me see inside. That's enough to warm a plate or something.
What?
Warm a plate or something.
The one, that's the one you want, the big one.
No, I want this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, whatever.
This one's too big.
It's too big.
Too big.
That's a kitchen.
Just a small one. This. Look.
Which one? That's the same as this one?
Yeah.
Where's the box? What about this box?
Big.
It's 9 cubic feet. The other one's 7 cubic feet.
This is what? 9 cubic feet. This is 9.
9, but the one you're putting down there is 7.
This is no.
That's
This
7.
one is this.
That's 07, that's 09. That's the one we want, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Women can't make up their mind. That's why I told you I do not like to shop with women.
Oh, here,
I'm gonna get this one. Stand by. Alright, we got our microwave for the bedroom. And now we're heading on out to pay for it. Oh, what he said, lemon, he said the pies were.
I want a big one.
And I'm gonna see if I can find me a lemon lime. Well, I got my key lime pie. Real key West lime juice pie. They are delicious and I love them.
What?
Well, now what?
Potato corner. Potato corner. You want something?
I might eat some of yours.
There's fruit in there.
Huh?
There's fruit in there.
There's a what?
Fruit.
No, it's all right. You go. I'm.
They sell food there.
Really? All right. Well, stop and give me some. Surprise me.
You?
Yeah. Get your potatoes. You say you're gonna go get, and surprise me. Kay loves to eat. Look at her. She's going over there to get some potato fries, I think is what it's called. She loves that stuff. Potato fries. Well, here's Kay. Finally, wow, what is this? A big one.
Mango shake with
Oh, shit. Oh, wow.
tamamo
It's a big one. It's good. It's good. She bought me a big mango shake.
The fruit only is.
Fruits only. That's what I want. Well, thank you very much,
You're welcome. You said-
Appreciate that.
You said surprises, so I just get whatever I want.
Oh, that surprised. It really surprised me too. Thank you, dear. Salamat.
Welcome.
Well, me and Kay are done with our shopping at Target. We got a little microwave. She got food. I don't know why she's still eating. Oh. But anyway, we're on our way home to hook our microwave up in the bedroom. See how it looks. Let's see how we do it. See you there. Okay, folks, we finally made it home, and we got the microwave. She wants to open it up. I told her I'd do it. She said she wants to do it, so here it is.
So I'm gonna open it right now.
Okay, open up the microwave. This is the microwave she just bought for the bedroom. And we're gonna put it over there on the refrigerator right there.
Every time we got new stuff, I always feel excited.
She's excited. Let me sit back over here. Okay. Now. It's pretty light, you know, I feel kind of heavy in the box, but
Light.
it's pretty lightweight, isn't it?
If I can lift it, it means it's not heavy.
Okay.
Oh, babe, you gotta help me.
Well, you said you want to do it by yourself.
I said if I can
Turn
lift
it on your side. Turn it on this side. And put it out. All right, I got the box. What else? You can't lift it out? I'll move the box. All right, sit down.
Ow.
Sit down. Unhook the tables and tapes and all that stuff. It looks pretty long, baby. What do you think? I told you, but you kept telling me no.
Told me.
Yeah, I told you.
Okay, let's try it first before you blame me. Okay?
Huh? All right. How's it look? Whatever. Turn around the front. Let's see the front of it. Okay. No tape on the bottom before you sit it up there? You want me to sit it up there or can you do it?
I'll do it.
Is the turntable inside?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, leave that out. That makes it kind of heavy.
Stinks too.
Well, you gotta clean it. Everything out your way. Actually, that's about the heaviest thing. I need that little plate. You know that. Oh, here she goes. She's lifting it up, putting it on the refrigerator. Will it fit? It's almost bigger than her. Look at her. Oh,
Oh, exactly what I
does it have a fit? Perfect fit?
Perfect.
Huh?
Perfect.
All right. Good thing. All right. Perfect fit.
Perfect. Tell you.
Okay. And you got the turntable. So clean it out first. Wipe that all down,
You
babe.
have to read it first. Of course, I have to clean it first for you.
You have to clean it out. Okay, Kay's got it all plugged up. We're gonna start it and see how it works.
So, you want to put something?
No,
See?
just test it, babe. See how it works. Oh, there you go. Is it turning?
Yeah.
Okay. Microwave in the bedroom.
Well, I'm so happy.
Yeah. Listen. Okay, she got the microwave hooked up and everything. Everything's working well. We did our running around and shopping today, and ate at a Arabic restaurant.
I think it's
Huh?
oh, I forgot the name.
I forgot the name of it too, but it's in Arabic.
Lebanese.
Lebanese, yeah, Lebanese restaurant, Lebanese food, which is pretty good. You know, it's different. But anyway, we had a good time today, and we're gonna end this day. This is the end of our vlog for the day. Wasn't much. We just did a little shopping, show you some of the days in our lives. But anyway, thank you for watching if you watch, and please, if you subscribe below, that would help us a lot, and ring the bell for notifications each time we do videos. It's going to get better and better and better. We're just locked down on this coronavirus thing, but it's lightening. Everything's lightening up now. We can go out and do a little adventuring. So anyway, you guys have a great day, a lovable, wonderful day, whatever geographical part you're from. And okay, see you later. Bye.